little yogis. Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's go on a magical yoga adventure.
Stand on one leg, lift one leg, and wrap it around the other. Now stretch your arms forward. Wrap one arm over the other. Keep your feet together. Now bend your knees, push your hips back, lift both arms up high. Stand with your feet nice and wide. Turn your toes out a little. Bend your knees, lift your arms up. Lie down on your back. Bring your knees up toward your chest. Now reach up and hold the outside of your feet. Sit down on the floor. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Hold your feet with both hands. Hold your feet with both hands. Now slowly bend forward. Reach your nose toward the ground. Lie down on your tummy. Place your hands under your shoulders. Now slowly lift your chest up. Sit down into lower deep squat. Keep your heels on the floor. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Sit down on the floor. Cross your legs comfortably. Place your hands on your knees. Pretend you're sitting on an invisible chair. Stretch your arms straight in front. Keep your back nice and tall. Stretch both legs straight in front of you. Now slowly reach both hands towards your foot. Bend your head closer to your knee. Sit back on your heels. Now slowly stretch your arms forward. Lower your chest toward the floor. Take one big step forward. Lower your back knee gently to the floor. Keep your front knee bent. Now move your hands upward. Lie down on your back. Place your elbows on the floor beside you. Now gently lift your chest up. Come down onto your knees. Now slowly bend backward. Place your hands on your heels. bend forward. Reach your hands toward the floor. Sit down on the floor. Lean back just a little. Now lift both feet off the ground. Come onto your hands and knees. Lower your forearms to the floor. Now lift your hips up high. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Now stretch both arms out to the sides. Make your body look like a letter T. Get ready to move!